Hello friends, welcome to Vet OH. As NEET has gone and you might have calculated your scores, so you'll be looking for a very good career option for your future. So one of the finest course is Veterinary and Animal Sciences. It's a professional course of duration 5.5 years including internship. As many of the students were requesting to share the information on veterinary counseling, so we decided why not to share a complete video in which we can explain each and every step of the veterinary counseling. So if we have 100% seats, then the breakage of the seat is like 15% and 85%. 15% of the seats are under All India quota and 85% seats are under the state quota. These 15% seats are filled by the counseling body itself, that is the VCI, Veterinary Council of India, and it conducts the counseling after NEET. And the other is 85% seats. These seats are filled by the state itself. So before proceeding to the colleges which come under VCI, let me discuss two of the very famous universities which do not take part in VCI counseling. So the first one is very famous university all over India, that is the Central University, Banaras Hindu University. It is the only central university which provides the professional course of veterinary and animal science in India. So the counseling procedure of the BHU entrance is like that. First, there are application forms in the month of February. You have to fill the application forms. Then after the NEET examination is over, you have to upload your NEET scores as per you receive the notification from the BHU portal. Then after uploading the scores, you will be called for the campus counseling and you will be going to the campus for the counseling purpose. There, a few of the students will be shortlisted and will be receiving the call letter. According to the call letter, you will be selected and will be admitted to the college. So there are 60 seats in total, including the reserved and unreserved categories in BHU. So now we come to the next university, that is IVRI. It is also the prestigious university not only in India but all over Asia, and it has 24 seats in total including the reserved and the unreserved category. So the procedure of counseling in IVRI is like that. After the NEET scores are released, you have to fill the form on the IVRI website itself. In that form, you have to place your NEET scores, and according to that, they will be preparing a merit list. In that merit list, only the shortlisted candidates will be called for the on-spot counseling in the campus itself, which is located in Bareilly. So here are different colleges under different states which give their seats through VCI. The first one is Assam. In Assam, we have Faculty of Veterinary Science, Khanapara, that is in Guwahati. The second one is the Andhra Pradesh University, that is the Sri Venkateswara Veterinary University. In this, there are 3 colleges. The first one is in Tirupati, the second one is in Produttur, the third one is the NTR College in Gannavaram. So the College of Telangana State is in Hyderabad, that is the College of Veterinary Science. We come to the next state, that is Chhattisgarh. In this we have College in Durg, that is the College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry. The next state is Gujarat. Gujarat itself has 4 colleges, that is the first one is the College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry in Anand. The second one is in Dantewada. The third one is in Navsari, and in fourth one we have Junagadh. So if I talk about the next state, we have Himachal Pradesh. In this, the college is Dr. DC College of Veterinary and Animal Science, Palampur. So the next state is Haryana. In this, we have Lala Lajpat Rai University of Veterinary and Animal Science, popularly known as LUVAS, and this is situated in Hisar. The next state is Karnataka. In this we have 4 colleges again. The first one, veterinary college, is in Hebbal, Bangalore. The next one is in Bidar. The other one is in Shivamoga, and the last one is in Vidyanagar. So the next very popular state is Uttar Pradesh. In this we have a college named Deen Dayal University of Veterinary and Animal Science in Mathura. It is one of the very popular college in the field of veterinary. And the other one is the College of Veterinary and Animal Science. This is in Faizabad. So to add one thing more, in this Mathura University, this university, for filling its 85% seats, it conducts a separate entrance exam. It has 2 phases. One is the prelims and one is mains. We have to clear both the levels, and after clearing the level, we can get admission in this university. So next state is Uttarakhand, and again a very famous university in this state, that is the GB Pant University in Pantnagar. It's a very beautiful campus. I visited personally over there. So the next state is West Bengal. In West Bengal, we have a college named Faculty of Veterinary and Animal Science, Kolkata. So next one is Puducherry, that is one of the Union Territory. It has a college named Rajiv Gandhi College of Veterinary and Animal Science. So the next state is the South State, and the university is in Tamil Nadu. The famous university name is Tanuvas University, and it has 4 colleges in it. The first college name is Madras Veterinary College in Chennai, and the other is Veterinary College and Research Institute, Namakkal. The other is Veterinary College and Research Institute in Orthanadu. The last one is Veterinary College and Research Institute in Tirunelveli. So bringing you with the essence of deserts, we go now to Rajasthan side, and we have a very famous university, that is the Rajavas University. It again has 3 colleges. The first one is the College of Veterinary and Animal Science in Bikaner. It's a government college. The other 2 will be the private college, that is the Aravali Veterinary College in Sikar and Mahatma Jyotiba Phule College in Jammu. Now we move to our next state, that is Punjab. In Punjab, we have a very famous university named Guru Angad Dev Veterinary and Animal Science University. It is situated in Ludhiana, and the next college is situated in Amritsar, that is the Khalsa College of Animal and Veterinary Science. It's a private college. Now let's talk about the next state, that is Maharashtra. So Maharashtra has 5 colleges in total. The first one is the oldest one, that is Bombay Veterinary College, situated in Mumbai. The next is College of Veterinary and Animal Science in Parbhani. The other is Nagpur Veterinary College, Nagpur. Next, College of Veterinary and Animal Science, Udgir. Last one is the KNP College of Veterinary Science in Satara. So the next state is Kerala. There are 2 colleges. The first one is the College of Veterinary and Animal Science in Manuthi. The next college is the College of Veterinary and Animal Science in Pukot. So next state is Manipur, and in Manipur we have College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry in Aswal. The next state is Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh we have 3 colleges. The first college is the College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry in Jabalpur. The other is the College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry in Indore. The last one is the College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry in Rewa. Now we move to the next state, that is Orissa. In Orissa we have College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry in Bhubaneswar. So altogether there are more than 500 seats in the All India quota which you will get through these colleges. So there is somewhat difference in BCI and MCI counselling. What happens in MCI counselling is that in MCI counselling, if you are allotted with some college that you don't want, you can quit that college in second round and choose your college that you want in the second round. But what happens in BCI counselling is that if you choose a college in the first round of the BCI counselling and suppose you get that college, then that college is fixed for you and you cannot quit from that university or from that college, and you have to pick that college itself. So at the end you are left with only 2 choices. Either you have to quit from the counselling or you have to choose the college. So just be aware that you choose only that college in which you are willing to go. So if you are a good scorer, please choose only top colleges during the time of choice filling. Only top 3 colleges you try to fill over there. So for any further counselling related queries or for knowing the cutoff of different colleges, you can DM us on our Instagram page Vet2H anytime. So it was all for today, and in the upcoming videos we'll be sharing you with the knowledge of subjects which are being taught in the BVSC and AH course. So at last I would like to say that if you are interested, then definitely go for this field, because this field holds a very bright future for you ahead. And thank you so much for watching and staying connected till the last of the video. If you find this video fruitful, you can like the video and also share among your friends and relatives and as many people as you can. And thank you so much for watching till the end. You can subscribe the channel if you're new to this channel.